Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 in my course on how to create professional movies in Final Cut Pro X. In this lesson, I'll be covering everything about transitions. So just in case you might have missed out on my 4th lesson where I talked about exposure correcting, you might want to check that out as well. Good transitions is a key element to professional movies. That's why I'm going to be showing you which transitions that you want to use and which transitions that you don't want to use, and also how you want to use them. So in this lesson, I'll be covering how to add transitions, how to change the adjustments of a transition, and also how to delete a transition. I'm also going to be showing you examples of situations where you want to use transitions and which transitions that you want to use. So watch this lesson if you want to learn all of that, and let's get straight into it. Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 in my course on how to create professional movies in Final Cut Pro X. In this lesson, I'll be covering everything about transitions, how to add them, how to change and adjust them, and how to delete them. There are different types of transitions. There are fades, to or from black, then there are cross dissolves from one clip to another, and then there are wipes from one clip to another. Adding a transition in Final Cut is actually very simple. All you want to do is find out where you want to add the transition. In my case, I want to add it in between these two clips. Then you want to place your marker and hit Command T for Command Transition. This simply creates a default transition, which is a cross dissolve at its default length. So if we go ahead and play that now, the two clips should fade slowly into each other. But maybe you would want the transition to be just a bit longer or a bit shorter. And to change the duration of a transition, you simply pull in one of the ends, like so. Now we've extended the transition and it should be a bit longer. And if we go ahead and do the opposite of decreasing the length of the transition, it should be a lot shorter.